I fucked up. I really did fuck up. You was kind. You was sweet. You took care of me, and I took you for granted. I was too busy being a fucking playboy.
I'm just getting ready for a wedding. And my sister's gonna be a bridesmaid in the wedding yet again. Always the guest, never the bridesmaid. But I don't know. I feel like I'm super happy because, this is a person that I know. I'm very happy that she's getting married. Ooh, can y'all see me? But also I haven't gotten glammed up in a really long time, so I kind of wanted to do like a get ready with me for a wedding kind of video. So also really quick, I'm just prepping my skin because I just washed my face, took a shower and everything. Right now I'm using the Humphreys Witch Hazel, so that's what I went in with first. Next I'm gonna go with this H2O Beauty, and this is a toner. It's Hit the Matte Toner. So we're gonna go in with that on a cotton pad, and I'll kind of work it through my face. And my skin's been doing very well since I started using some of these products and like drinking more water and started minding my own business. Actually, I always minded my own business, but I'm not tending to other people's problems no more. So my skin's like, yay. Okay, so those two are done. Then I'm gonna go in with, this is an aloe gel. I just picked it up from Marshall's. So yeah, it's just to add moisture back to my skin. There's a lot on the top here, so I'm just gonna take it from the top because we don't waste products out here. Next is going to be my eye cream, and I'm using the eye cream from Dirty Works. Also picked up from Marshall's. I like this compared to like eye creams I've used in the past because I don't know, it says it's depuffing and I actually feel it depuffing. Like I feel a little tingling sensation whenever I put it under my eye. Not a bad one, like a very like rejuvenating one. So I really like this eye cream, and I put it at the top of my lid because and also your under eye is very sensitive. Look at me being all bougie using my pinky. I see you, Kim. Yeah, your under eyes are very sensitive, and ever since I started using like eye creams in general, like I used to have very dark under eyes, like it's not as dark anymore and it's moisturized. So are we gonna complain? No, we're not. Use this hyaluronic acid I picked up from Marshall's as well. Marshall's really be that girl. Marshall's and TJ Maxx, like they don't want you to know, but like that's literally my one-stop shop. So what I don't want to do is add too much moisture to my skin, only because I have very oily skin. So when I put on makeup and my face is super moisturized, like I start to like oil up very fast. But I also don't want to be dry either because my skin's been doing very well. I don't need no patches, I don't need no acne. So definitely want to make sure that skincare is taken care of anyway. The product that I'm going to show you next is actually my Holy Grail product, also picked up from Marshall's. It's a pore minimizing serum from, I don't know if it's Miracle or if it's Dewy Tree. It has to be one of them, but I really see a difference when I put this on. So little bit to minimize my pores, to give the makeup a fine finish. When I apply it, I literally feel so smooth after using that, like the pore minimizing serum. I need to figure out this brand because, you know, the thing with Marshalls is they don't always have the same products when you go. So I think it might be Miracle Dewy Tree. It looks like it's like one of those K beauty brands. So, cause it's like yeah, it's made in Korea, so it's definitely a K beauty brand. So I think it's Miracle Dewy Tree, and you know those K beauty brands, they be clutch. I'm gonna use a little bit of this moisturizer, which opened up and started like spilling on my bed. So it's from Clean Beauty. It's a hemp seed facial moisturizer. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that. I feel like from the last skincare video I did, some items have definitely changed for the better, and that's what we want. We want to discover new products that work for our skin. Literally have not broken out in so long or had a pimple. And I used to have like discoloration on my face. I have just a little bit now, ever since I really started like hydrating and taking care of my skin. So ladies, girls, your skin comes first before the makeup, before everything. I love makeup, but skincare, oh my gosh. Okay, don't look there because I got some. But look, like my skin feels so rejuvenated and good. So we just used a little bit of that from Clean Beauty. I love the smell of this. So it has a little bit of hemp in it. If you know, you know. But it's super cool for your skin. It's super good. So lastly, I'm gonna just set everything in place, and then I'm gonna start my makeup. Or no, I'm gonna run to Ulta Beauty really quick because my friend is picking me up and they do not play with being on time. I run on GTM, is it? No, GMT, that's what I run on. Ghana Man time. So yeah, they do not. So really quick, I'm just gonna set it all in place with my Algenist. It's early. Algenist hydrating setting mist. It smells good. All right, and with that being said, I'm going to do my hair. So the goal is that I have this kind of side with curls flowing down here because I'm gonna curl my hair. But realistically, if that doesn't work, I'm gonna part my hair in the middle, do a low bun, and use this little curl clips because I'm wearing like a blue blazer, and I don't know if it's like bad to wear like a blazer and pant combo to a wedding, but I'm gonna normalize it. So anyway, let's see how this goes. So first I'm gonna use my Revlon hairbrush dryer thing, which I got from Ulta for like 40 bucks. And this thing is literally, why am I looking at this like the mirror? This thing is literally like, what's that word? A lifesaver. I'd already stretched it out the night before, or 2 nights before, but my hair shrinks very fast. Like it starts to matte very fast. So I'm just gonna stretch it out one more time before I do the curling. Took the easy route out, which is basically parting my hair down the middle and using the clips. It looks good to me. Just because the whole curling thing was not working. I have type 4B/A/C here, and it wasn't cooperating, but I like this. I feel like I'm the bride. I'm just gonna do just some soft glam makeup and then put on my blazer, keeping it light, you know, keeping it cute, keeping it light, very minimal these days. But yeah, I will see you guys once the look is all put together. I'll show you guys my full look later because I was running late. We're actually an hour and a half late for the wedding, but Vivian, say hi to the vlog. Tell them who you are.
My name is Vivian. I was born in Ghana. I majored in management information systems. I work at Dell Technologies.
Like something
I love the Lord.
Like this, like I meant quick.
Yeah,
but you look flawless, sweetie. We're like, Monica, look at us. You gonna see later. We super cute. Do I ever lie about looks? No, I do not. My lashes are not cooperating. But it's okay. It's okay. Let's just go because we are late. Ooh, the glow. Oh, the melanin. The black girl magic in this frame. Okay, so we're late. I see the bridesmaids. We're going to just sneak by that. You know, I'm gonna say hi to Kelly real quick. I'm going to go that way because
they're lined up already.
Okay, well,
why is there someone wearing a cap and gown?
It's Auntie Tio. So yeah, we're going to go in the opposite way because I feel, let's go this way. I feel as though
Why are you looking like that?
Kim, this is not gonna happen. It's happening. You made a way when our backs were against the wall, and it looked as if it was over. Woo! Heard you. Let's go, Lanya. We heard you, sis. Yes. Wow, what's a wow? You look amazing! You look cute! Yes, my sister, yes! Woo! Yes! Go and be brave with your pink! Woo! I had to get a little ratchet for my sister. I had to get a little ratchet. Lennox, you look so cute! Oh my god! So much black girl magic.
You get it, yeah?
You get it?
Yeah?
It's a floral ting, yeah? It's a navy gold ting, yeah?
Yeah?
We heard you. This is my big sissy, Angela. She's looking oh so divine. You guys see this? Dark chocolate. Oh, wow. Okay, now Bernice.
Oh, wow.
Come over here. Right here, right here. Yeah, because the sun's here. Can you just finesse for my vlog a little bit? Like your whole fit, not you, Vita. Haters. Haters, you are all losers. Oh wow, I love it. So let me know, you guys, have you guys ever dipped mid-wedding to get good pictures of yourself? Are we bad wedding guests for doing so? Let me know down in the comments below because I feel like we're not doing anything wrong. Tweaka tweaka. So we're here taking pictures. Look how gorgeous these girls are. These are my besties, guys. Just pay attention to my vlog. Look at my besties, my bridesmaids, my everythings. Ma'am. Okay, Vita's canceled out of the wedding. Let's go. Alright, can we fix? Can we blend? Can we contour? I'm not the same Gambini no more, yeah?
Can we fix? Can we blend? Can we contour? Like, what do I do? What do I say? Just to prove to you that I'm changed. I'm a changed man. I'm not the old Gambini. I'm not the old me anymore. Like,
Lenny! Look how cute she looks. Yo. Oh my god. Okay, bye, Lenny.
See you later. Peace out.
Peace out. Deuces. Oh. Hello. Say hi, Kimmy's Renaissance.
Hello, Kidia.
You guys.
Hey.
Look at that. First of all, that's the Jackie Ina palette.
Y'all, okay, let me preface this. I don't do makeup. I don't do eyeshadow, so this is my first time where I bought an eyeshadow palette because we stand Jackie.
I wish she
And
was here.
it turned out so good. So buy the palette.
I like
if
it.
you were thinking about it.
Buy it. There's a video I'm gonna make coming soon, but I have it. We have it. And you know, easy breezy, beautiful
Cover girl.
Jackie Ina girls.
ABH.
The reception is happening. We're here, and we're just gonna have a good time. Hopefully, we find man. I doubt
That's
it.
not why I'm here. I'm here for the food.
I'm also here for the food and Lennox,
Yeah, Lenny.
who you saw earlier. Have your personal blotter with. Oh, thank you.
Come right ahead.
I'm gonna touch up too.
And
Show
just
them.
bring your own blotting powder. So if
Bring
you
your
don't
own
have yours,
blot.
we can't
Yeah.
help you.
Is it gonna look?
We're doing it here.
Go here so they can see you.
All right, so we're just going
So,
to like
blow a
Show the
little
people
bit.
what you're using. Then.
we're
Yeah.
using the Fenty. Like what is it? I'm a
The universal
YouTuber.
Invisimax.
Can I see it?
You gotta turn it to the front.
Is it
babe.
focusing? I'm not sure. All
It's
right.
Fenty Beauty.
Okay. All right. So now
And we're just blowing. I have my.
I'm not, okay, let me see.
Just like on that.
It's just a little touch up.
That's probably why. All right, it's fine. Like,
I
you
bring
know,
my own personal blow
we want
everywhere
to
I
blur,
go.
But like we don't want to be like oily. You get me? Yeah.
Look at Rihanna. Even when she's not
There's
here,
nothing
she's
on the
still,
brush.
she's
No, it's good. It's good.
Thank you. Sometimes that's all you need. You know, you don't even need the powder.
Miss Angie. What a cutie. Bye. You guys, my sister's a bridesmaid. Jackie Anna palette? Jacket. Okay. Well, Kelly's a bridesmaid. You look gorgeous. Your dance was perfect. Coffee? Was it really? It was good. I liked it. Why are you looking like that? Is that the person that was matched? You better march home. But anyway, I'm leaving because I can't, and obviously I'm getting oily. She's leaving me. So yeah, here's the end of the vlog. What do you mean? I'm taking on Snap. Oh, this is a video. Okay, guys, say bye to the vlog. This is where it ends. Bye to the vlog. Bye. Blah blah blah.